Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to send money on Revolut to another country. So without further ado, let's start. First, go to Revolut account and then enter your password. Now, tap on the transfer icon at the bottom of your screen. Now, tap on the add new icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then tap on Send International. You can choose from these options. You can add a bank recipient or crypto wallet. Now select your destination country. Find the country. After that, select the amount that you want to send. You can also change the currency right here. Now, choose bank account and then send your account. After that, enter the account details of the recipient. That's it! For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.